Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great. One more great. Two more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your notification button. Country girl, country boss, silent, nuclear, 306, J.A. Man, undocumented. All of the people them from Canada, England, and the Caribbean. We have all people in Europe in terms of like Germany, big up. Yeah. Look at the screen in front of you. I am taking you to Jamaica. And the great mystery surrounding the demise of Willie Allard. Now, a lot of people are say boy the Colombian them do certain things to him and dash him away. Cause me remember when it happened, the other two youth them just they at the wrong place at the wrong time. But me have a different take on this. So my take on this is totally different. Yeah, him did that England. Him a junglist. And him and Kakali a junglist. Me I do a video upon Kakali. Cause me never know say him a junglist with a youth here. And all of them used to spar. And him used to go to England with Kakali. That's why you see Beenie Man, Black Roses. You understand? So, yeah. Him a junglist. Him did there England. And then in the America. And then say a whole heap of things in do. Let's move on. Well, from my knowledge and trying to piece together the sketchy facts, it seems like we're not even going to talk about that yet. But let me go back some more in that youth history. So, he used to run with Starkey, as everybody know. And he used to do things at England time, no rifle them too. See what I'm saying? Now, this guy had a lot of support from the ministers and the government officials and the police. You understand? Him had a lot of support from the PNP government. We all know, say, when he dead, him had I don't know of another gangster church at the National Stadium where over 5,000 people there on funeral. And a very interesting notation. Now, Skeng Dan, you know, come out the man funeral. But, like me I tell you now, Skeng Dan are done, you know. And if me did a flex, I have money and I do certain things like them, or some you that flex. Skeng Dan show up in a private security, it's in the 2000 early with bulletproof car. You hear me? Skeng Dan now drive a Jamaica without bulletproof car. that's a smart man. You understand? Now, like I said, Willie Agard did have enough support. So, from the government and certain people in the system. So, me, in my opinion, it now come from there, so it now come from that side there. Now, in a 80%, when a man dead, or somebody close to them, friends, family, associate. You see what I'm saying? But this to me looked like it was a political hit. And you have two political parties in Jamaica. And this guy here, it make Dudus look like him not try at the time. You understand? This is the PNP Dudus. Willie Agard are the PNP Dudus. And it seems like if this guy Willie Agard was alive, he would have been way bigger and richer than Dudus. Because he was cemented into the PNP party and them IRS. Now, in terms of, how can I put it? Like you have Jungle, and him had the stronghold over Jungle. And then you have Tivoli. Now, the way how him did run Jungle, it was similar to how them did run Tivoli, where everything was law and order. This youth look like him did do a lot more in a Jungle, and Jungle would have take off in terms of economics and certain things. Them did have the dancing thing I go on, the community thing, this, that. You understand? But one thing I want to say about Willie, remember with their yard and my brethren go around there, run at the rooftop and think, my brethren, him used to be all over the place. And me remember, I stand up on the gate and the man, him tell me say, him just come back from around a jungle. And a youth buy a plate of food for Willie Agard. And Willie Agard taste the food. And so the food never taste good or whatever, and throw the food in the youth's face. Me remember that clearly. So to me, in my opinion, it seems like Willie Agard Slapway was a political one. Even though him have a really nasty attitude and him be grumpy. He was a grumpy dude, but he was a kind dude. You understand? And he had a vision. And you see a lot of the dance them will come off of him and certain man them. Even the Wally and the Bully them, they couldn't garner the political support like Willie Agard did and Dudus. So, you hear people say, oh, big money was on his head and this and that. Number one, no cartel now come run you down for 300 of them sitting there. 300 of them think they come in like nothing to them man there. And the time and the resource and the distraction from their business to hunt down some little Jamaican dude. You understand? What this, like I said, film demise and what happened to him, three man in Virgin them still don't chill. Some man come up with like police and then them go straight to him. The other two man them are they call that collateral damage. This guy them saying did some Tivoli man them and then tell Fiaga, oh, for go suck him, you know what I'm saying? Because he was loud. And he was bossy, and very confident dude, yo. And then him eye color and make a difference. I don't know if I bleach like I some eye color. But this guy was a political juggernaut in the PMP part of the government. He was a political juggernaut. And like I said, when you see from who come and funeral, and when funeral, PJ Patterson is there, Phillips, couple other people came down, all the big wigs them. And as a matter of fact, an inspector, they get fling away. And nobody not going to funeral, but them all got a money at funeral. So it shows that this guy was a political juggernaut. And if they never get rid of him, maybe he would have be a minister right now in the PNP government long time. You understand? But this guy, in my opinion, I think his dasher was political. And this guy is the Dudos of the PNP. And he had more pull in the PNP than anybody else. And he had pull with the other side too. But it just seems like he was outdoing Dudos and the JLP them, and he would have been a problem for them in the future. So, like I said, it may not be a big conspiracy, but it is a conspiracy in terms of, the potential. We'll deal with all the potential motive, and all the potential people that we can't get rid of. You understand? We just have to go over that. So him friend them can't do it on the political people in a party, but this more looked like it was a political thing to me. It was too prezi. Willie was prezi, and so was Dudos was prezi. And believe me, if he was alive, him have a strong lock in that area there. The PNP them would have still have it locked down certain way. And that's my opinion. My name is Countryman. Drop some comments on this, and remember, if you like it and like my content, like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button. Peace. I'm out.